In this video, I will explain about how to check the given two natural numbers are amicable or not using Python. First, I will explain what is an amicable number. So here the definition is provided. Just I will increase the font size. Amicable numbers are two different natural numbers, such a way that if you find out the factors of the first number and if you also find the sum of the factors of the first number, if that results the second number. Similarly, if you try to find out the factors of the second number, if that the factors of sum of the second number, sum of factors of the second number again results the first number, then these two numbers are called amicable numbers. I will highlight here. If you see, these are the two input numbers, 220 and 284. The factors of 220 are beginning from 1. 1 is successfully divisible 220. 2, 3 cannot divide, 4 can divide, 5 can divide, 6 cannot divide 220, 7 cannot divide 220, 8, 9 also cannot divide. But 10 can divide. Again 11 can divide, 12 cannot divide, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 cannot divide. So the numbers which are successfully divisible, the given number 220 are called the factors of the 220. So now this is a big list. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 11, 20, 22, 44, 55 and 110 are the factors of the first number 220. If you find the sum of these factors, then it results to 84. It results 284. Similarly, if you find the factors of the second number, that is 284, if you find the factors of the second number, that is 284, then it will be like this. Now factors of 284 are 1 is successfully divisible, 2 successfully divides 284, 4, 3 cannot divide, 4 can divide, 5, 6, 7 up to 70, no number divides this one, 284. Only 71 can divide and 142 it divide. If you find the sum of these numbers, then it results 284, then it results 220. That means if you try to find the sum of the factors of the first number, results the second number. If you try to find out the sum of the factors of the second number, that results the first number. Then both the numbers are said to be amicable numbers. Amicable numbers. So to solve this one, we need to follow few steps. Step 1, read two numbers, which we are going to check. Step 2, initialize, because we are going to calculate the sum of the factors of the first number. So we need to initialize sum 1 is initialized with 0 and sum 2 is initialized with 0. And step 3, find the factors of number 1 and also find sum. The same step, find the factors of second number, and also find its sum. After that, we cross check that if sum 1 is equals to n2 and sum 2 is equals to n1. That means sum 1 holds the sum of the factors of the first number results number 2 and sum of the factors of second number results number 1. Then both the numbers are said to be amicable numbers. So these are the steps we are going to follow. I will open the IDLE tool, open a new Python file. So first job is read a number, input of, we are conveying a message to the end user. The purpose of this input function is read first number. Enter first number. Close. Read the next number. Enter second number. Next, initialize the sum values with zeros. What is the purpose of initializing these two sum values? Because these S1 and S2 are going to hold the sum of the factors of the first number and sum of the factors of the second number respectively. How do we find the factors of the first number? Using a modulus operator, we can do it by iterating the denominator value beginning from 1 to up to that number. So first I am taking I in range of, I want to test whether the n1 is how many numbers are, how many factors are there for n1. So that can be checked with the help of this one range function. Using a if condition, I am testing n1 modulus with the iterator value I. If this results 0 means I is called factor of the given number. If I is the factor of the given number, immediately we need to add that factor to our sum, temporary sum value, that is S1. S1 is initially with 0. So later on, how many factors are there? All factors are going to be added. In each iteration, it is going to be holded the intermediate results that are generated by the different factors. So this is about first number. We are finding the factors of the number 1 and we are also find out the sum of the factors of the number 1. After this, next number for j in range of 1 comma and 2, range of this one. Now we try to find out the factors for the second number. How can we find out? We are testing with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to that number. So that is denominator value keep on changing beginning from 1 up to that given number, like this. Once if it is a factor, if it is successful, if it returns remainder 0 means it is a factor, then immediately we need to calculate the sum. So sum to S2 plus J. So J is the factor of second number. S2 is sum of the factors of the second number. Now once after come out of this loop, S1 holds the factors of number 1, F2 holds the factors of second number. So according to our definition, if sum of factors of the first number is equals to second number and sum of factors of second number is equals to the first number, then declare given numbers are amicable numbers. Given numbers, what are the numbers? N1 and N2 are amicable. Just I am copying this one because the same statement I am going to repeat by changing the small description message, that is not amicable. If the condition not satisfied, then we are printing given numbers are not amicable. So very simple logic. First I read two numbers. I am removing the unnecessary spaces, and after that I initialized to intermediary sum, that is sum results S1 and S2, and I find out the factors of first number using a for loop and if condition. I find out the factors of the second number using a for loop and if condition. After calculating the sum of the factors of first number and sum of factors of the second number, I am cross checking whether the sum of factors of first number is equals to the second number and sum of factors of the second number is equals to the first number. If both are satisfied, then it results amicable, otherwise it prints not amicable. So before run this program, save it in our respective directory, that is here. Amicable demo1.py. Now run this program. So there is syntax error, I think. Yeah, here unnecessary character is typed. This time remove this. Okay, I saved it. We can rerun the program. So 220 and 284. So 220 and 284 are amicable numbers. Just now I shown you what are the factors of 220 and what are the factors of 284 as per. Suppose if I given some other numbers, then it will results display the result like this. Given numbers are not amicable. I will show you that one also. So when we run the program, we need to test both the if case is working or not, else case is else part is working or not. Such a way we have to pass input values to the program. So next one, I will give you some other set of numbers. Suppose triple one and triple two. So triple one and triple two are not amicable as per the definition. Triple one and double two are not amicable as per the definition. That is the reason it is displaying given numbers are not satisfying the amicable definition. That is the reason it is displaying a message the given numbers are not considered as amicable. Whereas in the previous case 220, the factors of 220, the sum of factors of 220 results 284. The sum of factors of 284 results 220. That is the reason those are declared as amicable numbers. So in this way we can check whether given numbers are amicable or not.